In this video, I'll show you how to create a high energy opening where segmented panels vibrate briefly before revealing your video in a bold and modern way. Start by opening your project in CapCut Mobile and placing your video clip at the beginning of the timeline so the vibration effect hits immediately. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation to access the animation settings. Now, switch to the In tab, which controls how your video appears at the start. Scroll through the animation list until you find vibrating panels, then apply it. Once applied, the screen splits into panels that vibrate slightly before settling and revealing the video. In CapCut Mobile, this animation is applied directly to the video clip, not as a separate layer. Use the duration slider to control how strong the vibration feels. Shorter duration makes the reveal sharp and intense. Longer duration slows it down, making the vibration more noticeable. Preview the animation and adjust the timing so the vibration adds energy without overpowering the scene. And that's it. You've successfully added a vibrating panels reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.